Want to use your own phone with SafeLink? First, ensure your phone is unlocked from its previous carrier, like Verizon or AT&T. Unlock it via their app, a third-party service, or by fulfilling your contract. Next, you'll need to check your phone's IMEI number, a unique 15-digit code on SafeLink's website or app. This confirms it's not stolen or blacklisted. Finally, activate your service by inserting a SafeLink SIM card, provided free, and registering online. To be eligible for SafeLink, you'll need to provide proof of residency and income below 135% of the federal poverty level, such as through SNAP or Medicaid. Remember, SafeLink supports most major brands like Apple, Samsung, Google, and Motorola. However, ensure your phone supports LTE or 5G bands for reliable service. If your IMEI is blocked, contact your previous carrier to resolve any issues like theft reports. Keep in mind that stricter IMEI blocking enforcement has led to slightly increased rejection rates for BIOP attempts. Looking ahead, SafeLink is expanding 5G compatibility and may integrate eSIM technology by 2026, which would eliminate the need for physical SIM cards and make activation simpler. BIOP is becoming increasingly popular as a cost-saving measure and reduces e-waste. Experts predict continued growth in BIOP enrollments, driven by AI-enhanced IMEI checks and virtual assistants, so ensure your phone is compatible and unlocked to take advantage of this program.